Hello lovelies, you're welcome to Cassia Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can style low manipulation hairstyle on short, medium, natural hair after stretching it without using any products. So I love styling my hair before I put it in a protective hairstyle. So this is a gentle protective hairstyle which you can keep in for 1 week, even 2 weeks, provided you are taking care of your hair as you go to bed. So this is a low manipulation hairstyle which does not wreak havoc on your edges. It's so gentle and it can help you actually to retain a lot of length. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. To my 398 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. You know, in as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow so that we can reach 500 subscribers, friends. So I've made a part, as you can see. So I'm going to do flat twist, 2 big flat twists in front and at the back. Yes, so I'll continue like braiding, very gentle actually. So subscribe to my channel, friends, share this video and comment in the section below. So I really appreciate you guys, you know, for your support.